I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
What's up, Either Bros, and welcome back to the channel. This is the third time I have done this, so hopefully we will not mess this up. Alba Racing Nerf bars, we're going to be putting them on the Suzuki 400. Cool? Cool. Also, while we're on the topic of stuff that you guys are getting ready to enjoy, if you have enjoyed the content, please be sure to let us know. If you like the new intro, tell us. If you don't, give us some tips on how to make it better. Also, I want to give out a few names that I really do appreciate, people who have supported the channel and they've been doing great. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs, Kyle at A&M Cycles, and Next Mike and all of his crew at TrapShip. I believe it's Next Mike, Seti, Preston, Adrian Sings, and Kip Wolf. All those 5 people make up TrapShip, and I'm glad I remembered that because I've screwed up so many of the names in this intro already. Anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to put this over here. And then we are going to pray for today's video, and then we're going to go right into it because I can't say any more things because the more I say stuff, the more I'm going to mess it up. So let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you so much for the opportunity to install these parts. Thank you for giving us a chance to be able to be blessed with all these things. I pray that you watch over us and keep us safe as we make this video, and I pray that you watch over us and keep us safe as we use these products on next upcoming weeks. Pray that you bless all the viewers and bless all the people watching. I pray that you keep them safe and watch over them. In your holy and precious name I pray. Amen. Without further ado, I am done talking. Let's get into the video. First, we're going to show off all the new stuff he's painted, and then we're going to go right into all the new parts that are being installed because, yeah, new stuff.
This is a new idea we're implementing to the channel, basically to show off the people who support us and help us out, and we're trying to help them out with promotionals. So this is a 1-minute snippet from one of our old videos.
Yeah, I had to run up a check. Wait, I had to get out of day. Oh God, I don't really need a flex. Gone, you been looking at names. Okay, Trinity, all I claim. Pressure all in my name. If they keep pushing out, they gon' see it's diamonds all in my veins. You don't wanna see the archive. I swear I thought I was a nice guy, but reality is that being nice, it might look good, but it ain't enough. Like whoa, yeah. Why is it that nice guys they finish last like always? All I've been trying to do is the right thing on like all days. I turned the game 90 and now they look at me sideways. God, my girl the fan, that's top 3 like MySpace. They ain't think I go round. They did it. I've been up all day like the sun who I await. Yeah. I've been up all night like I'm trying to guard the estate. Yeah. I've been up all day and night like Cuddy back in 08. Okay, yeah, same fate, different day. I was gone, but he made a way. In the grave, I might decay, but to the gates, I'll fly away. Like Ricky Bobby, I shake and bake. You fell asleep, should've stayed awake, and I do it only for heaven's sake. Could've get a grip as I cut a snake. I don't feel like I'm part of the crowd. Apple started to look good, but he told me keep the eye on the cloud. Wow.
Alright, so Dad removed the foot pegs and added this mount right here for both of them to go in. We actually have the other one installed on the other side, so let's take a look at this. So again, like before, you take the pre-existing foot peg and add that to it, and then this as well with that other mount that connects to the frame, which is right there. And then the other one connects to the plastic mount right here. So yeah, this is what it looks like on, and then that's the other one. So if you want to go ahead and put that one on, we'll show them how to do that real quickly. So just slide it on like that. It's the equivalent of a muffler slip-on, but just for foot pegs.
Yep. Pretty much. And all I gotta do now is mount the net. As soon as I get this lined, As soon as I get this lined up, that goes through the center to hold that on. Now all I gotta do is tighten this up, put a nut on this back here, and bolt the fender up. So that's it, and put nets on. So, and we'll get there.
You got the yellow nets, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Yep, these are the yellow ones. I'm gonna match the plastic. Well, actually, they pretty much disappeared on camera. Oh, wow. Anyway, so the nets will be put on afterwards, but that's pretty much how you install it, so that's pretty cool. Anything else you figured out while you were trying to put that together, or no?
No, that's pretty much it. Just play around with it until you get it into where all the holes line up perfectly, and you're good to go. It's been a day.
Sweet. So I guess we're gonna try and put the Nerf bar nets on.
I'm gonna put nets on in just a minute as soon as I get all this tightened up.
All right, and after we do that, we'll bring you guys back and show you the finished product. So actually, while he's tightening those up, a couple of things that we actually have done, or by we I mean he, we have basically done a couple of painting things. As you can clearly tell, the A-arms are now black. Front bumper's black as well. The gray's got a bit of a touch up to it, so now it doesn't look as rusty. The old lights that were in the Raptor are now in here, which is cool. I kind of like the blue. It really just gives off the bike a different color feel. The rims are now blacked out as well, which is pretty good. Obviously, the Nerf bars. But with the new plastic brackets, this one doesn't have one yet, but the other ones do now. So this is going to stay off the muffler, which is good. The back grab bar is now black as well. Got a new sprocket and put the chain back on it as well. So that way we are no longer chucking chains. As you guys know, we did that in Carolina Adventure World. So yeah, I think the only thing that Dad has to do to it, and he's already ordered parts for it, is get shorter A-arms. Because the ones that he got were a little bit shorter.
No, longer A-arms.
Or long.
Tie rods. We'll get it right in a minute.
Yeah, not A-arms. Yeah, longer tie arms. Lord have mercy, it's been a long day. Tie rods. Oy. Anyway, this one's bent. So is that one. So, had to fix those.
We got it this way. We got it this way. It's rideable like that, but it's not a good ride.
No, it's not as comfortable. So, now we're going to get that squared away so that way, you know, the toe end will be able to, you know, do its thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I guess we're gonna wait until we get those Nerf bars, not Nerf bars, the nets for the Nerf bars back on, and then we will go from there. Alright, so this is with the everything tightened and everything on. We've got both sides, and they honestly match the plastics really well. This is probably one of the only good color-coded bikes that we have, because, well, I mean, mine's blue and black, a little bit of white sprinkled in here or there, mostly because of the sticker. So, I mean, well, I retract my statement. This is one of the good color-coded bikes. But yeah, definitely do like the black and yellow look. This definitely has been something that he's wanted to do for years. Ever since we got the 250, that's why it was black. It was supposed to be black and yellow. Yeah. But
let me explain.
250's in here. Yeah.
Now you understand why I like black and yellow?
This is his thing. That's his thing. Mine's blue. And then he couldn't get a yellow 250, so he got a flipping black one. So, but now it's black and red. So, I don't know. It's really good. I like it. This is great progress considering the fact that we've gotten more done to it than I thought we were going to in a while. So,
the next project, handlebars.
Yeah, there's been rumor that we're going to use the ones that are over there, somewhere over there. From the Raptor, because we have the Pro Taper ones on there. The only issue is that little key fob area. Unlike the Raptor, the CPI unit is right here, but this one, it's all in there. So you'd have to take all that stuff out and mount it.
It actually goes on the other side.
So, well, I made him think about it. This might be very interesting.
Yep, it would work.
What are you thinking?
Get this brand, get that, because this removes. I mean, you can take that off and it'll fit right over the knuckles, and that's what I gotta do. I gotta have it right over the knuckles.
So you're talking about removing the bar across. So get the Raptor bin ones, but then have the bar go across?
Yeah, and still go across it. I mean, because there's nothing in the way of this because it sits further back.
So it would be sitting on top of that.
All you'd see is the lights. The bar goes across this direction.
Well, and also
So the key,
you could technically take the Pro Ticker one off too and add like the one you did on the 250.
No, but I'd rather just do it that way because I just need that. And if the bar comes right across this, it shouldn't be no big deal.
True.
I mean, technically, you know, I mean that's on the thing. So it's sitting up about 2 inches. Yeah, I mean, you might have to.
That stuff can come off though.
Yeah, but that's the whole point of it's another black and yellow piece I can add to it. So
yeah, you can.
I can always
and put it back on.
Well, I can. Oh yeah, it comes off. But I mean, I can always shave it.
True.
Shave the rubber.
Or take the.
I'll make it work.
Well, you can take the cover off of it and then trim the foam.
I can make that work.
Yeah, I know that. You can re-engineer anything if you get your time and money.
All I need is your money and my time.
Well.
All right, next big project I gotta deal with is this. This is my case saver, and it does not fit at all. I gotta figure out why. It won't fit. It looks like I'm gonna have to shave it down.
Sadly, because this is a 2003, there are no DRW stuff. We've already looked into it. So anything that we buy is going to have to be some other aftermarket stuff that's not DRW. Unless the 2005 model is similar, but we don't have one or seen one to compare and contrast. So it'll probably be a bit of a shot in the dark. But yeah, you heard it first. Next couple mods is going to be handlebars and then the case saver, unless he figures it out in the next 5 minutes, which I highly suspect he will. But other than that, that's pretty much all we've got for today's video. Just wanted to show off the new stuff that we've added to it and also the new Nerf bars, because honestly it takes it from where it was before and just raises it to a whole new level. Honestly, if you would have told me that this is like the equivalent of a Facebook Marketplace purchase, the way it looks right now, I'd call you a bold-faced liar to your face, because it is ridiculous. It looks so much better than most of the other stuff that we've purchased. I guess it's just, you know, time and effort and money. That's the issue with that one back there. It's the money.
Well, he's working hard, but unfortunately, he had a wreck.
Yeah, if you guys didn't hear about that, Andrew was involved in an accident that actually happened the day of the Carolina Adventure Road trip. So he's kind of in a pickle with the money and stuff as of right now. So things are kind of put back on halt again. So do expect stuff in the future, just not right now. Speaking of future stuff as well, I think with the way that things are going and how time is working, we won't be able to do anything important when it comes to merch and stuff like that until the summer, just because of how busy I've been. I've tried to talk with businesses, but unfortunately with how busy my schedule is, I haven't had time to go sit down and talk. I've got the designs. They're really cool. They're wide-out designs of us riding on the four-wheeler. I'm not going to show you guys because I want it to be a surprise. We just wanted to put something out there that looked really good and that worked really well. But yeah, it's just taking time, and I don't have that at the moment, because the time that I do have is going to school or me to do something else, so I can not focus on school because I need a break or something like that. So yeah, anyway, my schedule is all kinds of crap. So that's pretty much all we've got for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, please be sure to subscribe. If you and like it. If you find yourself coming back and you do enjoy some of the stuff that we do, then be sure to subscribe. And if you have anyone who may like the content, share it to them and let them know that they should definitely check it out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we will catch you guys in the next video. And yeah, have a good one.
What's up, Breather Bros?
Actually, before we go, he already figured it out. So looks like it's just handlebars.
Handlebar should we come?
Way to limit my content. Nice.
Sorry. I can't help it.
Lord have mercy.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and you can change your mind at any time, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parts that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.